So as you can see, my discoloration is at the lower part of my face. It's so weird. It usually happens when I'm transitioning from my winter color to my summer color. So it's from right here and then go down here, right here, and then go down here. And then I have it right over here around my mouth. So, and the black spots on my face are just usually right here on this side, some spots on my neck, under here at the side, and at the side of my nose. So basically these are the areas that I'm having the dark spots. We're gonna deal with that. So I go in with some makeup products to try and conceal it as much as I can so it doesn't show through my makeup. And I use something so simple, and it's near you at a local beauty supply store, and it is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, and it's just this small one here. That's all you need. You need an orange color corrector, and the orange color corrector works on darker skin tones because when you put the orange color corrector on the dark spots here, what it does is it just cancels out the darkness, and once you put on the foundation, it just makes the foundation conceal the darkness much better. So all you need to go is buy this LA Girl Pro Conceal orange color corrector. But yeah, so that's what you want to go in. I also have a higher end option if you really want to go with Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs color corrector. This is in Getting Warmer. There's a lot more high end color correctors out there that you can use, but I just have this one, the beauty supply, the drugstore friendly one, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, which I'm definitely going to be using this in this video, and this is the Marc Jacobs one. Okay, so what you want to do is put the orange concealer on the dark spots on your face. You can put how much or how little that you think will be best fit. And as you can see, I am applying the corrector on all places on my face here, and then I have some on my neck. So that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead in with your concealer and put it on all your problem areas. Okay, so once you put the concealer on all your problem areas, you want to go in with your finger and to just blend this all out. I prefer using a finger over a beauty sponge is because once you use the beauty sponge, I feel like it just takes off the product of your face, and usually beauty sponges thin out your makeup just to blend it out. It thins it out, makes it a little bit more natural light. So when it comes to the orange color corrector, you want it on your face, and you want enough so it can conceal out and cancel out the darkness on your face. So I feel like using your fingers will help do that without taking off product. You can try a brush. I think I've used a brush before and that worked as well, but I noticed that the best way that I think works is with your fingers, and you just want to go in with your finger and blend it out lightly. So as you can see, the darkness that was underneath my chin, not there anymore. It's more canceled out through the orange all around my mouth, and you just want to do this for your whole entire face. And oh, some people may wonder, oh, does the orange color go into your foundation? I feel like it personally, it doesn't go into your foundation. Just make sure you wait a bit before putting on your foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead, let that dry for a little bit, and then we're going to proceed on with putting on our foundation, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So while this is drying on my face, if you want to conceal out the darkness on your lips, as you can see I have darkness on your lips, all you do, go in with concealer, and that will cancel out the darkness for when you put on your lip color. Okay, now I'm just putting on the foundation on my skin, and then I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to use that to blend out my makeup. So as you can see with me blending out the makeup, that the orange color corrector is not bleeding through. So that's just something I wanted to show you, and will be able to hide with your foundation. And you can go in with any type of foundation. I would mostly suggest going in with a full coverage foundation because that will be much more easier in concealing out the dark spots and the hyperpigmentation. Or if you don't have a full coverage foundation, you just build up the foundation that you have, whether it's medium coverage or very light coverage. And what you can also do is go in with your beauty sponge and just put the foundation over your lips as well. Honestly, these are just all suggestions, but this is how it looks once my face has the foundation on it over the orange color corrector, and literally that's it. All you have to do to cover up dark spots and discoloration on your face with makeup. So simple and easy, and you literally need two things. Color corrector, one that is perfect for your skin tone, and number two, just foundation. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. As I showed you in the video, it only requires 2 items for you to conceal out and cover up that discoloration and dark spots on your face. As you can see, my face is definitely covered, and you definitely cannot tell that I have that much dark spots on my face and discoloration. Well, I think, at least for me, that you cannot tell that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did find this video useful, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I can tell, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.